Configuring Debank charts is a straightforward process that allows users to track and analyze their cryptocurrency portfolios and transactions. To get started, first navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the chart icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Next, select the type of chart you want to configure, such as a portfolio chart or a transaction chart. Debank offers a variety of chart types, each providing unique insights into your cryptocurrency holdings and activities. For example, the portfolio chart displays the overall value of your portfolio over time, while the transaction chart shows the details of each transaction. To customize your chart, click on the settings icon and select the time frame you want to view. Debank offers various time frames, ranging from 1 day to 1 year. You can also choose to view your chart in different formats, such as line, bar, or candlestick. In addition to customizing the time frame and format, you can also add or remove assets from your chart. To do this, click on the asset icon and select the assets you want to include or exclude. This allows you to focus on specific assets or view your overall portfolio performance. Another key feature of Debank charts is the ability to set alerts and notifications. To set an alert, click on the alert icon and select the conditions you want to trigger the alert. For example, you can set an alert to notify you when the value of a particular asset reaches a certain threshold. Best practices for configuring Debank charts include regularly updating your chart settings to reflect changes in your portfolio and using the alert feature to stay informed about market fluctuations. It is also essential to use the chart formatting options to make your charts easy to read and understand. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively configure Debank charts to track and analyze your cryptocurrency portfolio and transactions. This will enable you to make informed decisions and stay on top of your cryptocurrency investments.